The wait is over, guys. The CAT Admission Test 2024 admit cards are out. It is being held on 24th of November, and this time, this exam is being held by the prestigious Indian Institute of Management, Kolkata, IIMC. Let's discuss how you can download the admit card. To download the CAT 2024 admit card, the candidates will have to visit the official website. I've given the link in the description. Once you log on to the website, go on the homepage, feed in your details, enter the CAPTCHA, log in, post which you will be able to see your admit card on screen. From there, you can save it and download it. Don't forget to take out the printout of the admit card.